Hey guys, it's your girl Cinquanta, and I am here today to show you guys my step-by-step process of how I create a t-shirt from design to vinyl to t-shirt, into the mailbox, package it, and ship it off. So I know a lot of you guys often ask how to start a business, what do you need, where do you find things. So I want to kind of step in and tell you guys just a little bit about how to start your own t-shirt line. So if you want to hear more about starting your own t-shirt line or starting your own business, stay tuned to this video and just stay tuned to additional videos that will be coming up on my channel. So the first thing I'm going to tell you guys about is different platforms that you can use to start your t-shirt business. So when I first started, I started using Spreadshirt. They have great quality shirts. They're amazing. They're awesome. They are a print on demand. So basically you upload your designs or create a design in the design studio and you put it on the website. You can make your own name. So that's kind of where Designs by Smiley started. That's where I had my first online store about 7 years ago, and I sold a lot of shirts. I made a lot of money there. Then I moved on to Big Cartel. Big Cartel has changed a lot. I no longer use that platform because I've grown so much and I am able to use different resources. But Big Cartel can be integrated with a lot of different print on demand services. Okay, let me pause. Let me back up. Print on demand is basically getting a design, uploading it to a website, putting your words, which these are my words right here, on a shirt, and when someone comes to purchase it, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to print the shirt, fulfill the shirt, mail the shirt, any of that. On your platform, whatever you use, your design is there. It's your idea, your design. The person purchases the shirt, and the print on demand fulfillment center prints the shirt, picks the shirt from the collection of shirts they have, and then they press the shirt, they package it, and they ship it to your customer for you. So you don't have any products on hand, any inventory. Most print on demand companies do let you have pack-ins, so like you can upload your logo, so your logo is on your receipt, on your bag, whatever you can add with that source. So that's just a little about print on demand. If you don't want inventory, print on demand is the way to go. You'll hear people say POD, same thing, print on demand. The next platform is Teespring. Teespring, I've used Teespring a lot. I have a small store on Teespring with one of my high school friends, Gabby, and we do t-shirts based on our hometown, and it's called Georgetown on them. So that's a phrase that we use back at home. So we decided to create a collection around that phrase and just different things catered to the town that we grew up in. I love Teespring. I love their shirts. They have a variety of shirts. They have stickers, buttons, and socks, and just different things that you can use. The next platform that I'm going to talk about is Zazzle. They also do t-shirts, buttons, stickers, etc. They also, well, I don't think they're print on demand, but you can get t-shirts from them. So they're not print on demand, but you can order t-shirts with your design on it. You have to be careful with like copyright stuff with them. Also, what I use now is I use Shopify, and I integrate Printful, Printify, and T-Launch into my store, and those are the fulfillments, print on demand fulfillment centers that I use. They all have different specs to them, so these are things that you need to go and research. So I haven't had any bad experiences with them. The most is when people don't look at the size charts or they order the wrong size. So I've had a few people order wrong sizes, and I just had to go back in, resend it. They send me the shirt, etc. You know, it's just basically based on what your return policy is and how you can best be a service to your customer. So that's a little bit about print on demand. So the next thing I'm going to talk about really quick is designs. You can create your own designs if you have any graphic background. I don't. I do a lot of text-based designs, and I also now I've moved into a little bit more graphic, but I use Canva. I have a Cameo 3, so I use the Silhouette Design Studio, and I have used Fiverr to pay graphic designers as little as $10 for some bomb designs for my t-shirts. So you can use Upwork, you can make a call out on your Facebook, Instagram for t-shirt designers and find a design that is right for you. It's always your idea and they make it come to life. Make sure that you get all the rights and make sure that you can use whatever the designer creates for you on merchandise to sell. Even though it is your idea, it is their work. So always make sure that you talk to your designer. Talk to your designer and make sure things are legit and you can use it to sell other things. Make sure you have all the rights, etc. So far that's it for part 1. So that's basically just giving you the resources you need, places that you can get your t-shirts printed, and more information on designs, etc. So in the next video, I will actually walk you guys through step by step how to create t-shirts at home with your own machine, from your computer, and with a heat press. So if you want to know how to make your t-shirt at home, how I package mine and ship it off, tools you'll need, stay tuned to part 2 of how to start a t-shirt line. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.